Let us see how to create 3D objects in Autocad. First draw the rectangle, draw one more rectangle. Now go to press pull, and this is a 2D wireframe view. Convert this into conceptual view. So how we can do it in extrude command, draw the rectangle, draw one more rectangle. Now use the extrude command to add material, press enter. So it will extrude both external and internal objects. We have to perform a Boolean operation. Select the outside object and inside object. So how to create a loft object? Create a rectangle. Now draw the straight line. Switch on the center geometry center, and draw the line. Create a circle. Now we have to blend the two sections using loft command. Select the first section and second section, press enter. Next go to the revolve, select create a rectangle, draw the axis line. Now select the revolve command, select the section, enter and axis line. Next, how to create a sweep. Select the front plane. Now create the rectangle. Go to top plane. Now create the spline. Now apply the sweep command. Select the profile and guide curve. This is how you can create 3D objects in AutoCAD. Thank you.